The Halpin Centre for Research and Innovation at the National Maritime College of Ireland is the Maritime Research and Innovation Centre for the Cork Institute of Technology and a research and innovation arm of the Irish Naval Service. The National Maritime College is a constituent college of the Cork Institute of Technology and a partnership between the Cork Institute of Technology and the Irish Naval Service. The Halpin Centre undertakes research and innovation in the maritime safety and security, shipping, transport and logistics, and maritime education and training areas. The Netmar project concerns the demonstration, evaluation and dissemination of new robotic systems, sensors and networking technologies in maritime incidents endangering human life, the environment and economic activities. Air and sea-going robotic vehicles provide new capabilities to operate in dull, dirty and dangerous environments. Networking technologies enable the orchestration of existing assets and new robotic systems and sensors for enhanced situational awareness and intervention. New command and control and visualization tools provide new capabilities for the coordination of existing assets, robotic systems, sensors and human operators over interoperated networks. These tools contribute to the environmental assessments with unprecedented resolution and sensing diversity, provide reality checks for events generated in social networks and motivated constructive forms of public participation. The project is organised around demonstrations led by the operational partners for 3 types of maritime incidents: harbour in the proximity of metropolitan areas, estuaries and open seas. Universities and R&D institutions will demonstrate new tools and technologies and evaluation methodologies. Planning and return on experience workshops will contribute to transition tools and technologies to operational practice and to companies, local, regional, national and EU authorities. Technological and business challenges will be presented to the EU networks of excellence and funding agencies. The exercise validates the findings of Netmar by utilising new command, control and visualisation tools to help them to prevent the spread of the pollution and to assist in the clean-up, to test the command and control of the responders and the implementation of the local authorities' local action plan. The exercise begins at 1500 hours local time, when a chemical tanker transiting the south coast of Ireland experiences an engine room fire and has lost power. It is drifting north towards the Salty Islands, a special area of conservation. The tanker broadcasts a mayday. Rosslare Coast Guard radio responds to the mayday and quickly establishes contact with the Maritime Rescue Coordination Centre in Dublin. A Coast Guard helicopter and 2 Irish Naval Service vessels are tasked by MRCC Dublin to proceed to the scene, to monitor the events as they unfold, and to provide assistance to the tanker. One of the naval vessels assumes on-scene commander and controls the operation locally. This includes enforcing a 2-kilometre exclusion zone around the tanker. As the exercise progresses and the fire is brought under control, the Coast Guard helicopter relays video footage to the naval vessels and to MRCC Dublin. Naval personnel wearing personal protective equipment are transferred to the tanker to determine the extent of the H&S spill, while others are also dressed in PPE to take samples of the spill from the sea. When it becomes clear that the tanker will run aground, the crew are evacuated by the Coast Guard helicopter and boats from the Naval Service. The local authorities' local action plan is implemented and the naval vessels maintain the exclusion zone.